It's like somebody's collecting some solar power. I've never seen anybody put solar panels on their car. Like, well, I have. I've had one on the channel before. This is not the first person I've seen with solar panels on their car, and it made me think of the last one. It was at a Lowe's parking lot. They had solar panels on their car. I mean, I guess it's a good idea, man, to collect solar power, collect power, have it run it off into a battery. Cars are, I guess they get a lot of direct sun. Most of the time cars are in direct sunlight, so it's not a bad idea. I just it's hard to collect a lot of wattage, usable wattage. You got to have, I mean, you really have to have a bunch of solar panels to do what you want to do, unless you're charging a phone. That car, evidently they got extra money and got their tags straight, so they're probably that person's probably not going to ever get towed. If they're collecting power and saving money, they're definitely not going to get towed. Anyway, we're going to keep rolling. Oh, we got a Pathfinder back there. I guess it's green. It could be blue. I'm colorblind, but we're going to go grab that Pathfinder straight back there. Let's get it. I don't know if we're going to have any confrontation or not, but we're going to go back here and try to grab this Pathfinder, man. Somebody could come out on it, but rain coming in. What's up, kitty cat? This thing's been sitting for a minute. You can tell by the parking spot it was in. That's weird. It's been sitting that long. Sticker's been removed. Somebody's trying not to let it get towed. Maybe what's happened, somebody's kept it from getting towed by running out on people, on the other drivers. Nobody came out on it. I wonder if that person owns the Sonata beside it. That Sonata's on the list to tow as well. It's not set up for a wheel lift, so we're going to keep moving right along. Go out here and try to find a wheel lifter that I can back up to and grab. And check my list real fast. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to flatbed this one. It's too low. It's gonna drag the pipe, even though it's a hot rodder lowered car. I'm gonna have to yeah, I'll drag that pipe if I put it on the wheel lift, but it's a tow. I'm gonna lift that front up. It's gonna drag that pipe. I can't drag the pipe on it, no way. Even though it's a junker, I still can't tear the car up hauling it. I'll be back over to get that one in a minute. Just what it is. What's up, man? You getting that one? Okay, yeah, whoever owns it, the property's going to tow it if you don't get it. That's probably why they called y'all.
I figured. No, I'm here for the insurance.
Oh, it's a wreck.
Yeah, it's a
okay.
crash one, so it's going
Okay,
to
good deal. Good. It would have went to Copart either way.
I got you. Yeah, I just
Have a good one.
from you guys.
No worries. Have a good one, man.
You too.
Take care, sir. That white truck was on the list to tow, no tag. Somebody pulled their tag off because they're waiting on the insurance to pay it out. I said Copart's picking it up for the insurance company. But so far I've found we got 4 on this property. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this. I'm gonna go ahead and sign this one out. I'm looking for a wheel lifter. If I spot one, that may be one in the back. Let's see. Kia Forte. Yeah, there's one back here in the back. I'm gonna back up there and wheel lift it. This thing could have a tag on it, so I don't know yet. Gotta back up and see if there's a plate. I'm gonna find out real quick. Looks to me like no plate. It's outside storage. Yeah, no plate on it. So we're rolling this out. Can't tell if the brake's on or not. I may have to lock it out to see if the brake's on. Boom, there's one. Sign them out and get to the yard. That's what I'm doing now, going by the office. Let the office lady know what's going on. Hey, I mean,
maybe you can get it situated. Maybe we can make a phone call to the office.
I'm not trying to be ugly, man. They send me over here to get these cars. It ain't got no tag on it, man.
It doesn't have a tag on it because he just got it back from the shop.
Well, I mean,
that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah. let him figure out what the office.
I told him, man. I come up, show up, told him, bro. Yeah, I mean.
And then he gets it out the impound, it's gonna be way more.
It's gonna be 130 drop fee, but I'm not hooked to it. Technically hooked to it. See, I mean, if you had a key to it and you can move it, I'd tell you to move it. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, all I'm asking maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Look,
well, see, I'm not trying to be ugly. I'm not trying to be ugly. I just spent 20 minutes dropping this other car.
You made it home at 13 minutes out. He should be here in like less than 5 minutes.
Ask me if there's a key here. You can just drive it out of here. Does it run?
My phone is off. I have no.
Does it run?
It runs. Can I use your phone to call him?
Listen, my Verizon. You got Verizon too. It's out, dude. It's got SOS on it.
Yep.
Yeah, same as mine, dude. My phone ain't working either.
That's a whole thing.
So I can't even call the office. I can't call nobody either.
Yeah, but he has a key, bro. Like, I'd rather.
I'll give you 5 minutes, man. We'll give you 5 minutes.
Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah.
I really hate trying to do it.
Yeah, I got you.
He got it back from the shop. It was in the shop for I don't know how long.
Yeah.
Like he just got a brand new, like, an old tag in there when he got it back.
I got you.
Like, it was running really rough, and he's trying to fix it up. And
I got you. I got you. Yeah, I got you.
I hate it. I know once if you impound, then you have to pay the impound fee.
Yeah. I mean, in the grand, if he can't move it, I got to tow it anyway. If he can't move it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the office is the ones that tow. They got code enforcement. Code enforcement hits them.
Yeah.
The code enforcement, they especially. And you're not that it's that bad of a property, but it's a high crime property, man. There's a lot of stolen shit pulled out of here.
Right.
They're in here pretty good bit. The cops are in here regular. Code enforcement come through when the cops do. or the cops send the code enforcement through.
They call you guys.
And then they tow. They start threatening the office with citations, and they start towing.
Yeah. Well, he has a garage here with them.
If he's got a garage, just trying to put in the garage, and he's
He
good.
has 2 cars in there, I think.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, really?
He's
Yeah.
into cars. He's into
Yeah, I got you.
Man, that's crazy. Hey, man. Damn, Bang's about to take your shit, bro. You all right?
What's up, man?
Man, I've been told you to sell me this shit.
Huh?
I've been told you to sell me this
I
one.
just got it back.
Let's take
Say
it.
my guy.
Yeah, what's going on, man? You got sticker to tow. They put a sticker on. You peeled the sticker off, huh?
I'll move real quick.
That's what he said. He said it runs. I said, I gave you 5 minutes. That's what I told him I'd do. You showed up in 5 minutes.
That's crazy.
Most people don't show up in 5 minutes. It's like 30 minutes, and I'm gone with it. So you got the opportunity to move it and talk to the manager.
Nah, I didn't see you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just brought it from my stores like a couple days ago.
That's fine. Just talk to the manager. Let her know what's going on. She'll work with you, but you got to talk to her.
Got you.
Yeah, y'all have it going. Hey, if you got to move it though.
Yeah,
If they call me back up to come get it, I'll have to come get it.
Yeah, it'll be going to
Yeah.
Tuesday. I got
Have a
you.
good one. You got it. Have a good one. I got a white Ram truck that's got to go. It's in the back corner. It's going to be a hard pull out. They parked it in the spot. It's going to be hard for me to tow, which is fine. I'm just going to drag it all the way out, man. It is what it is. What's going on, man? Poquito español. Huh?
I'm sorry, let me move now because
It's no placa.
yes, I'm taking the
Oh.
placa, so I have the insurance, you know.
You got to pay the drop fee. 130 drop fee. If you want to pay it out, it's already hooked. I was fixing to load it.
130
Yes, 130. It's company. It's not my money. It's company.
because I'm moving now because
Well,
it's very
you-
far my
Yeah.
my job. You know?
I got you. It's up to you if you want to pay it out. It's up to you. 130 payout. That's what the payout fee is.
In the office,
No, you pay it here. I give you a receipt. The office knows. I'll let the office know you paid it out. Yeah. And it's not my money. It's company. It goes to the company.
yes,
It's
I
yeah.
know. This is for 14. Today is 14.
Yeah.
Not past the day, you know.
It's the 14th. I know. They tow on the 14th. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not
Tow
past
on the
day.
14th though. Yeah. It was stickered the 12th to tow 14th. Because I've got the list. I'll show you the paperwork. It's for tow today. Yeah. I'll show you the paperwork. Let me show you the paperwork on it. It's the 14th. It is the 14th.
Hello.
To return and tow on the 14th. So it's the 14th. If you want to pay it out, you're welcome to pay the fee. If you want to pay the drop fee, it'll save you $100. If it goes to the yard, it's $230. Is it yours or whose is it?
It's my car.
It's yours or is somebody
No,
else's?
no, this is my brother. You know.
Is your brother? Okay.
Just I have
Okay.
just one. I have a just because my boss she pay me tomorrow.
I got you.
I don't
Wait,
have the money now. You know.
well, tell them to cash app you or something. I mean, you can get a cash app or something like that. It'll save you $100 and not
I
leave
have
the
a
property.
salary, you know,
Hola.
Hey, how you doing?
No Spanish? No.
Poquito español. No mucho.
Oh, sorry. This is my car.
Yeah.
Kia White.
Up there on the hill?
That is my sorry.
Yeah, listen, get this number. Hey, the number right here. Telephone, that's where it's at.
Que llame ese
Yeah.
número para usted le da la información de su vehículo y ya le va a explicar.
Yeah, it's in Norcross.
Norcross.
It's in Norcross. It's not too far. Maybe 5, 10 minutes. Yeah.
Ok, más o menos, disculpe, más o menos como cuánto cobrarán.
How much you think how much you pay for day?
Oh, it's 25 a day.
25.
25 a day. Yeah.
Hoy se lo digo. Si hablo, es que no, ese carro se dañó, entonces no hay como jalarlo.
Yeah. You can pay 130 if you want to pay. It's no problem.
¿Cómo dice?
130 me dijo, ¿verdad?
130, sí.
Ok, gracias. Más los 25, ¿ves?
Del día de hoy, pues, que lo tienen ahí guardado.
Oh, it was hers. What's she asking about?
¿Cuál es su carro?
Es un Kia White.
Oh, yeah. It's the lot. It's the dos 30. At 230. It's a lot.
Dice
Yeah.
que son 230.
¿Por qué?
Yeah, for all the way there to the lot. Yeah. See, the state sets. So we don't set the price. It's regulated here. In some states is different, but the tow companies don't set the rate. The state, Georgia, sets the rates. We can't overcharge. They'll put you out of business. It's done legally by the book.
Es que dígale que yo vivo en este apartamento y que acabo de comprar ese carro.
That young lady was the one that owned the Kia Forte, the white Kia we towed earlier. But this all of a sudden, everything blew up on me here. My plans kind of went south on getting a double load. My other camera, it died on me. I've got plenty of batteries. I could shoot about 3 or 4 hours worth of content per day. I mean, I could shoot more than that, but it's kind of redundant to shoot content when I'm not actually loading. But anyway, we're gonna sign out, man, and get out of here, y'all. We didn't do as good as I was hoping on this property. The confrontation, the guy with the Honda, with the garage, he's got his own garage. And this payout on the truck, that was a little bit of a pain in the butt. But it is what it is. If that guy with the Honda wouldn't have pulled up as fast as he did, I was fixing to load it. That's just what it is, man. I was getting ready to load the little Honda. He got really, really lucky. Let this school bus go by. Dude.